A4VSO LR2. Power controller with hyperbolic characteristic. The pump displacement is controlled by the power controller as a function of the operating pressure so that a specified drive power is not exceeded at constant drive speed. Power changes from min to max via a spring. Settings are easy to adjust, via only one adjusting screw. Supplementary functions in the modular system, e.g. hydraulic remote control, pressure control, flow control, hydraulic stroke limitation, mechanical stroke limitation, hydraulic 2-point control. LR2 power controller, with hyperbolic characteristic. The power controller LR2 controls the pump displacement, flow rate, as a function of the operating pressure so that a specified drive power is not exceeded with constant drive speed. PXVG equals constant. Precise control in accordance with the hyperbolic characteristic ensures optimum utilization of the power. Commencement of the control range can also be set mechanically. The entire range of settings can be adjusted by means of a spring and adjusting screw. The pump is swiveled into its starting position, VG max, by an adjusting spring when depressurized. The minimum and maximum swivel angle limitation can be adjusted mechanically up to 50% of VG max. Range of settings, 35, 350 bar. Commencement of control. The power characteristic is set by the manufacturer. Please state clearly, e.g., 50 kilowatts at 1500 rpm. Version D with pressure control. Pressure control is superimposed on the power control and can be set between 20 and 350 bar. The value must be stated clearly. When the pressure set on the pressure control valve is reached, the pump switches to pressure control mode and only delivers as much hydraulic fluid as is required to maintain this pressure. 1 A4VSO with hydraulic control device. 1.1 sandwich plate. 2 power control valve. 3 pressure control valve.